I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Kia Niro EV. First, let's explore the various charging methods available. You can charge at home using a standard outlet or a dedicated wall charger, or on the go at public stations. Knowing your options helps you choose the best way to keep your Niro EV powered up and ready for your next adventure. We'll cover each method in detail to ensure you have a clear understanding. For home charging, you have two main options. Level 1 charging uses a standard 120-volt wall outlet, providing a slow but convenient overnight charge. For much faster charging at home, consider a Level 2 charger. This requires a 240-volt outlet, similar to what a clothes dryer uses, and can fully charge your Niro EV in approximately 6 to 9 hours, making it ideal for daily use. When you're on the go and need a quick boost, DC fast charging is your best friend. These powerful stations are found at many public locations and can significantly reduce your charging time. Your Niro EV can go from 10% to 80% charge in about 45 minutes using a DC fast charger. This is perfect for long trips or when you're short on time and need to get back on the road quickly. To maximize your Kia Niro EV's battery life, adopt some smart charging habits. Try to keep your battery charge between 20% and 80% for daily driving, only charging to 100% when you need the full range. Also, consider preconditioning your battery in very hot or cold weather before charging. Using your car's charging schedule can also help you charge during off-peak hours, potentially saving you money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.